and spirit of our great nation. On behalf of my teammates, coaches, and technical staffs, I express our heartfelt gratitude for this warm reception and for the unwavering belief you have shown in us. To the Presidency, the Ministry of Sports, the Nigerian Football Federation, and every Nigerian who has cheered us on from home and abroad, thank you for being our strength, our inspiration, and our home. We could not have done this without every one of you. This win is for helping us. Your Excellency, our journey to this moment has been one of great determination and courage. We have faced the best states in the world and held our own on the global stage. At the 2023 FIFA Women's World Cup, we stood toe-to-toe with giants, even defeating the formidable Australia in our home stadium. That was a moment that heralded the strength and tenacity of Nigeria across the globe. These achievements are not ours alone. They belong to every Nigerian who dares to believe that we can compete with the best and emerge victorious. We are deeply honored to bring home the 2024 Women's African Cup of Nations title, our 10th WAFCON triumph, titled Mission X. This victory is not just a trophy, it's a testament to the unyielding spirit of Nigeria. It's a celebration of every young girl in our villages, towns, and cities who dares to dream. Every family that believes in the power of unity, and Nigeria who carries our green and white flag with pride. This 10th title is for you, Mr. President. It is for Nigerians, it is for sport workers, and it is for every young child who believes and dreams to be on this stage someday. But Your Excellency, we are not content to rest on our laurels. Our vision is bold. We want to become the best women's football team in the world. We're going of standing on the top of the global stage, not just as competitors, but as champions. But to achieve this, we only seek the continued and enhanced support of the Nigerian Football Federation, Sport Ministry, and the federal government. With your partnership, we can have world-class training facilities, and we'll be able to prepare the best way possible and create a pathway for the next generation of Super Falcons to soar even higher. Together, we can show the world that Nigeria is not just a participant in global football, but a leader. As the Sport Commissioner rightly said, since the board is one of those things that unites the unifier of Nigerians, it brings the nation joy, it brings oneness across the region, class and tribes of Nigeria. We want to keep making the nation happy and bringing more joy to Nigerians around the world.
And when they call the world, we call on you to join us in this journey. Your prayers, your prayers, and your belief fuel our fire. Let us change the narrative together. Let us inspire a mindset that sees no limits, that dares to dream big and that unites in pursuit of excellence. We sincerely appreciate all that is currently being done, but we are asking for more because we know the boundless potential of this team and our nation. And together, with the right support and with the right competition, we can have the same playing field as our competitors. Your Excellency, the Constituency, the Ministry of Sports, and the NFF have been pillars of strength for us. Your administration's commitment to sports development has laid a foundation we are proud to build upon for many more years to come. For every Nigerian who has waved the flag, worn our jerseys and shouted our names on the stands or their living rooms, your love has carried us through every challenge. We are grateful and we are very inspired to do so much more. As we celebrate the 10th WAFCON title, let it be a spark that ignites a new era for Nigerian women's football. Let us unite as government, football federation, players, citizens, and diaspora in a shared vision to make this Super Falcons not just African pride, but world standard. Together, we can achieve greatness that echoes for generations. Thank you so much, sir, His Excellency, for this honor. Thank you, our ministers that have come to church on the first day, and your messages are seen, and your support is instrumental to our victory in this tournament. Thank you so much, sir. The Super Falcons are ready to soar high with your support and the sky is just the beginning. God bless you, Mr. President. God bless Nigeria. God bless the Conference. Thank you.